BOTG, with back. Hashtag boots on the ground, we're back for what's mine. 100. Yeah. Hashtag BOTG, with back. Back in the kitchen right now, about to do the unveiling. See what she working with in here. See what we got up in here. Huh? I look hungry. Like they say, wish you had some smell-o-vision. Ooh, she hot. Yeah, she ain't playing. We still got some more time to go though. Hashtag BOTG, with back. So we got going on this Sunday. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay. Got the rice already in there. The veggies already in there. The veggies, the green peppers and all come out of the garden in front. She fogging up, coming out the garden that we got our own garden. Little garden we make. Turkey wings. I'm going to still put her in there for another hour. Then I'm going to let it, without the foil on, get that brown, get that complexion like me. You know what I'm saying? Copper colored. Yeah. We'll be back though. Yeah. All right, fam. After an extra hour, here's the unveiling. The turkey wings and drumsticks. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag BOTG, with back. Back in the kitchen today. Still got some information coming for you. See how that rice break apart? See? Can't tell you everything that's in there, but you do see the rosemary and thyme. You can see. I don't like no sticky rice. You know what I'm saying? No burnt rice, none of that. So if you're cooking for me, just know. You know what I'm saying? Back, 100 I keep it. But that's what it come out after you see that copper colored complexion and she breaking off the bone. You can see the bone right there. It's just separating by itself. Low and slow is the way you do it. You take your time with her, right? Take your time with her, homie. You got to take your time so you can get it right the first time. And if you don't know, don't be afraid to ask questions. Hey, how do I do this? Read between the lines of what I'm saying. Yeah. So now, I'm going to put some, got the collard greens going, got the corn on the grill, and might have some cornbread, some cool, tall glass to drink. Hashtag BOTG, we're back. We in the kitchen today. Make sure you subscribe to Back for What's Mine with the S, back, BACK, the number 4, What's Mine's, with the N on the S on YouTube. Subscribe. Please like the videos. Share them out. Trust me, you got a lot to go. That's it right there, family. See how that look? Some say pecan tan, whatever copper color. But I'm going to cut these things off the bone and we're going to feed the tribe. Power to the nation. 3 hours, and this is what we got. Low and slow, baby. Take your time. Back for what's mine. 100, I'm Ghost.